Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The coach admired the athlete's blank during training, noting her steady improvement. A. Laziness. B. Dedication. C. Boredom. D. Hesitation. The correct answer is letter B. Dedication. Dedication means strong commitment. The team celebrated their blank victory after months of preparation. A. Undeserved. B. Narrow. C. Unexpected. D. Chaotic. The correct answer is letter C. Unexpected. Unexpected fits a surprising win. The patient showed blank progress after the new treatment was started. A. Rapid. B. Stagnant. C. Minimal. D. Declining. The correct answer is letter A. Rapid. Rapid means happening quickly. The lawyer gave a blank argument that convinced the jury. A. Weak. B. Compelling. C. Confusing. D. Brief. The correct answer is letter B. Compelling. Compelling means strong and persuasive. The librarian appreciated the student's blank handling of the rare books. A. Careless. B. Reckless. C. Gentle. D. Sloppy. The correct answer is letter C. Gentle. Gentle means treating something with care. The bakery became popular for its blank pastries that customers loved. A. Bland. B. Exquisite. C. Burnt. D. Stale. The correct answer is letter B. Exquisite. Exquisite means exceptionally good. Her explanation was so blank that even the youngest students understood. A. Complicated. B. Tedious. C. Straightforward. D. Puzzling. The correct answer is letter C. Straightforward. Straightforward means easy to understand. The neighbors admired his blank attitude, always helping without expecting anything. A. Selfish. B. Generous. C. Rude. D. Distant. The correct answer is letter B. Generous. Generous means willing to give or help. The CEO issued a blank apology after the company's mistake was exposed. A. Cheerful. B. Dismissive. C. Sincere. D. Sarcastic. The correct answer is letter C. Sincere. Sincere means genuine and honest. The forest trail was so blank that hikers needed a map to avoid getting lost. A. Simple. B. Confusing. C. Straight. D. Predictable. The correct answer is letter B. Confusing. Confusing fits a complicated path. What is your score?